Those blackheads aren't coming back because you're not cleaning enough. They're coming back because everything you've been told to do is making them worse. Stay right there because the next few minutes are going to change how you see your skin forever. You've tried the strips. You pressed them on, waited, peeled them back slowly, and for about 30 seconds, it felt like it worked. Then 3 days later, same nose, same dots, same frustration staring back at you in the mirror. You've tried the clay masks, the charcoal cleansers, the little suction tool from that ad you saw at midnight. Some of them helped a little, most of them didn't, and a few of them, if you're honest, left your skin redder and angrier than before you started, and you've squeezed. We've all squeezed that moment of pressure, that tiny waxy plug coming out, satisfying for 45 seconds. Then the swelling arrives, the redness, and somehow the pore looks bigger than it did before. You have spent real money, real time, real hope, and your skin is still not where you want it. Here's what nobody told you, and this changes everything. Sèche, the routine, step by step 1. Soften before you cleanse. Fill a bowl with hot water, not boiling, just steaming. Drape a towel over your head and lean over it for 5 to 8 minutes. Let the warmth open your pores and soften the plug inside. You are not cleaning yet. You are preparing. This single step makes every step after it dramatically more effective. Pro tip: add 2 drops of tea tree oil to the water. The steam carries its antibacterial properties directly into the pore. Don't skip this. It takes 5 minutes and it changes everything. Step 2. Double cleanse, but do it right. First, apply a cleansing oil to your dry face and massage it in for 60 seconds. Oil dissolves oil. It binds to the sebum in your pores and loosens it before your cleanser even touches your skin. Rinse with lukewarm water, then use a gentle, low pH cleanser with salicylic acid as your second round. Salicylic acid is oil soluble, meaning it actually travels into the pore and dissolves debris from the inside. Here's the move most people miss. Leave it on for 60 seconds before rinsing. 1 minute of contact time does 10 times the work of an immediate rinse. Step 3. Treat during the golden window. Right after cleansing, your skin is the most receptive it will be all day. Don't waste it. Apply a niacinamide serum, 5 to 10% concentration. Niacinamide signals your sebaceous glands to calm down, visibly tightens pores over time, and is so gentle that almost anyone can use it. If you're more advanced, alternate nights with a low concentration retinol. It speeds up cell turnover, keeping dead skin from accumulating in the pipe. Wait 5 full minutes before layering anything on top. This gives the active ingredients time to actually work. Step 4. The massage nobody told you about. This is the part that earns the ASMR in the title. Warm a small amount of jojoba oil in your palms. Jojoba is non-comedogenic, meaning it will not clog your pores. Press your palms against your cheeks for 3 seconds. Then use your ring fingers, your lightest fingers, and work in slow circular motions from the sides of your nose outward. Small circles. Deliberate, upward strokes alongside the nostrils. Music drops to near silence. You're not extracting, you're encouraging. You're using warmth and gentle movement to help soften sebum migrate naturally toward the surface. Then sweep long strokes from your chin toward your ears to stimulate lymphatic drainage. 5 to 7 minutes total. If you rush this, you're missing the point entirely. Wipe off the oil gently with a warm, damp cloth afterward. Step 5. Seal and protect. Pat on a hydrating toner. No alcohol, no astringent formulas that feel tight and harsh. Just water-binding ingredients like hyaluronic acid or Centella asiatica. Then moisturize. Even if you're oily, especially if you're oily. Oil and moisture are not the same thing. Skipping moisturizer triggers more oil production, and you already know where that leads. At night, that's your routine done. In the morning, finish with SPF 50. UV exposure darkens blackheads faster. Sunscreen is part of pore care. Full stop. Mistakes. Don't do. The mistakes. Don't do this completely wrong, and the number 1 mistake is still squeezing with fingers. When you press down on a pore from both sides, some of that material doesn't move up and out. It moves sideways. through the pore wall into deeper tissue. Your immune system treats it as a foreign body and inflames. That blackhead becomes a cyst. Stop squeezing. If you must extract, use a sanitized combidone extractor tool and only when the plug moves with light, even pressure. If it resists, leave it alone. Avoid this second mistake too. Over-exfoliating. More scrubbing is not more cleansing. Your skin barrier needs days to rebuild after exfoliation. Strip it daily and you remove your own defense system. Pollution enters your pores more easily. Congestion worsens. Chemical exfoliation twice a week is enough. Physical exfoliation once a week maximum. And read the back of your products. Look up comedogenic ratings. Coconut oil, often sold as a skin miracle, scores a 4 or 5 on the clogging scale. You cannot out-cleanse a product that's filling your pores while you sleep. Wheel, the pro-level tips change your pillowcase every 2 to 3 days. Your face presses against it for 8 hours a night. By night 4, it's covered in oil, dead skin, and bacteria. Everything that beats congestion. Silk pillowcases are even better. Non-porous, cooler, and your skin's own moisture doesn't wick away overnight. After your routine, wrap an ice cube in a thin cloth and hold it over your T-zone for 30 seconds per area. The cold gently constricts the pore opening and slows down how quickly it refills with oil. Your skin will look noticeably tighter, calmer, and cleaner. Try it tonight and compare your morning skin to any other morning this week. And this one matters. Look at your diet. High sugar foods spike insulin, which spikes androgens, which directly tells your sebaceous glands to produce more oil. This is an opinion. It's a documented physiological pathway. If topical treatments aren't giving you the results you expect, the answer might be on your plate, not in your bathroom cabinet. A Hambury heat recap steam to soften. Cleansing oil followed by salicylic acid cleanser. 60 seconds contact time. Niacinamide in the golden window, 5-minute wait. Jojoba oil massage, 5 to 7 minutes, upward and outward. Hydrating toner, lightweight moisturizer, morning SPF, change your pillowcase, ice at the end, watch what you eat. That's the real routine. That's what actually moves the needle. The clust. Here's the truth about skin. It doesn't respond to panic. It responds to pattern, to consistency, to being treated with intelligence instead of force. You now understand your skin better than most people who sell skincare products. You know the cause, you have the steps, you have the pro-level details. The only thing left is to show up for your skin. Not perfectly, not every step, every single day from day one. Just consistently. A little more knowledge applied a little more regularly. Over 6 weeks, 1 full skin cycle, the change will be real and it will be visible. Your skin isn't against you. It's been waiting for you to understand it. Start tonight.